Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to convert a PDF file to JPG using the ILovePDF app. Just open the app, go to the tools, and here you can find this PDF to JPG button. Tap on it, choose file you would like to work with, and then you can select from two options, either pages to JPG or extracting images, but I will choose the first one and click on this red button. We now have to wait a few seconds and see the file. That's basically it. We can download it, we can share it now. Thanks for watching.